guys, birthday ko na. Tsaka itong gift sa akin ng ate ko. Kay Mr. DIY siya. Binili sa akin ng ate ko.
It's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking back. All of my life, wondering how they make and what makes it last.
Magkakashot dyan, ma. Mandaan. Sakto lang.
So, lalagyan na natin siya laman.
Would I recognize the
Dami ko ng lomo cards.
something's telling me it might be you.
Eh, di si Genesis.
Stop. Ang dalas pala neto.
It's letting me you. She's wondering what clothes to
Tsaka to,
wear.
DIY ko lang siya.
She puts on her makeup
DIY ko.
and brushes her long blonde hair.
Inalis ko muna desk ko kasi medyo makalat.
And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I see it, you look wonderful tonight.
Ah! Ah!
We go to a party,
Tatlo lang binigay sa akin. Mamamahal. So, okay na yan. Ayun lang ang video natin. Goodbye!